Good morning, F2B! Let's explore our sense of taste as we learn about healthy eating.
Healthy eating. What do you know about eating healthily? This is the Eat Well plate. This plate shows lots of different food. The bigger the part of the plate, the more of those foods you should eat. First, we have fruit and vegetables. They are very important part of a healthy diet. You should aim to eat at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day. Here are some examples: orange, apple, strawberries, broccoli, and celery. Next, we have food that give us energy. You should eat lots of pasta, potatoes, bread, and rice. Next, you should also eat meat, like chicken meat and fish meat, egg, and beans. They contain protein, which repair the muscles in your body. Next, dairy products. Dairy helps to make your bones strong. You should eat or drink some dairy products, including cheese, yogurt, butter, and milk. And of course, there are some foods you should only have every so often. This is because they aren't as healthy and too much of them is bad for you. Examples of these foods and drinks include candies, crisps, chocolate, and soda. And how else can you have a healthy diet? The healthiest thing you can drink is water. You should try to drink 5 glasses of water each day.